Hi guys and welcome to the channel, and today we're off to Dursley. We're taking the Mark 1 Mexico to a classic car parade.
Perfect.
Anyway, we'll see you when we get down there. Today, I'm in my Mark 1 Mexico. It's a bit of a rarity for us to be out in a 1974 toy. Usually you only see them on shelves in people's houses as classics. Well, let's talk about the Mark 1 Mexico. Well, this one was born in 1974. It's a one-off build from Ford Motor Company in purple velvet. It comes with a vinyl roof and luxury interior with wood trim and a fantastic engine. It's got cloth seats with RS written in them. The Mexico comes with plush carpets, top pile, not like the vinyl stuff you get today. This is quality. And guys, it's got a speedo on it which actually reads 130 mile an hour. If you're bloody lucky to get it to 130 mile an hour in a 1974 car, you'd be absolutely amazed. Even in rallying they didn't get up to 130 mile an hour. At the time the speed limits was 70, the same as it is today. But I've got to say, with the best will in the way, I could get this car up to 100 mile an hour. I'd be bloody lucky. Cruising along at 70 mile an hour on a motorway today with the wind in your hair and the noise from the running gear. This is like an old bone shaker to the modern car. Right guys, and we've just arrived. Got to be some quality in here, eh? No, no. Oh, there's some work bound to be in. Oh, that'd do there, wouldn't it? Oh no, that was the problem, I had to wait for it to dry up. Well guys, we've just arrived. Look at the array of cars. Great, the sun is out and the rain's just stopped. Now we'll have a look around this array of classic cars. And there is a good display today. This is the first time Dursley's actually had an event like this in a car park, especially for classics. And then later on, we'll go on the cruise down through the town. just off for the cruise down through the town. Posing is all it's about. Laugh out loud. Alright, mate. As we pose down through the town in our classics, look how many people are out. I'm amazed at the amount of people that actually is in Dursley today. It's a good festival, probably the best. Quality. It looks like the 2019 festival is going to be put on record as one of the best. Look at that. Well guys, it's been a great day today. Small classic car show in Dursley. I was quite surprised how many people actually turned up. I did expect this morning from the email only 4 was going to turn up. I thought, oh, I'm going to be a bit disappointed, but actually quite a few did turn up. So I've had a lot of interest on the car, but there again, I haven't had the car out for quite a while, and it's like the whole of Dursley turned out to see the cars. In the old days, we used to have a fair go through the town with floats and everything. These days, if it's classic cars that bring in the public, all well and good. Weather started off really dark this morning, and then it's changed into the sun's out, brought all the people out, barbecue's gone well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. And I look forward to seeing you guys again in the next video. Laters!